Debt is something most of us will deal with at some point. But is all debt bad? Not necessarily. Today, we're breaking down the difference between good and bad debt so you can make smarter financial choices. Debt is simply money borrowed that you have to pay back, usually with interest. But the way you use debt can either work for you or against you. Good debt is an investment into your future, like a home loan that builds equity or a student loan that increases your earning potential. Bad debt, on the other hand, often comes with high interest rates and doesn't add long-term value, like unnecessary credit card debt or payday loans. Understanding the difference between good and bad debt is the first step to financial success. In our next video, we'll dive deeper into how you can use good debt to your advantage. Do you need expert financial guidance? Contact Rich Ideas today at hello@richideas.co.za and take control of your future.